Greetings today from 9963 Pandion Trail, the Sunrise subdivision in Pensacola, Florida, 32507. Quick view of the neighborhood. This is a gated community. Let's take a look around. Very beautifully maintained yard and a home, built in 2020. So your roof, your water heater, your HVAC, everything a mere 3 years old. Front porch, great for sitting. Cherry blue front door. So we take a peek inside. So our foyer, we are greeted by this beautiful wainscoting. As you'll see, lots of fun little features like our archways, little nooks. So we've got your first nook here to the right. We've got full bathroom immediately to the right upon entry. Shower tub combo. And then right again, additional bedroom. We've got tall ceilings here. Lots of windows, beautiful natural light. Curtain rods and curtains do convey. Also make note of the luxury vinyl plank throughout the home. Big open space, dining area, beautiful windows, kitchen overlooking, granite countertops, island, stainless appliances, gas stove, pantry. The works and overlooking this big open living room as well. Tons of windows, tons of natural light, high ceilings throughout as well. Off our dining, we have a covered patio. Not the only patio, porch, etc. We meandered right past here our flex room, bonus space, right now being used as a playroom. Think office, think craft room, playroom, obviously. Let's take a look at our master before we finish the bedroom tour, since they do loop around in a fantastic kind of way. So master. Spacious, bring your king size bed and all your dressers and accoutrements. And still plenty of room to move around. We've got the tray ceiling and ceiling fan, big window overlooking the backyard. Master bathroom, extra storage, shelving all the way up, double vanities. Granite in here as well. We love drawer storage for our vanities. Garden tub. Separate walk-in shower. Tiled all the way up. Linen on the left, water closet on the right. The bidet does not convey. And then automatic lighting in the master closet. How about this? Fantastically appointed, tons of storage, his and hers, shoe racks, the whole nine. And when I said it looped around a minute, here we come. We enter into our laundry room. Got extras cabinetry up there for storage. And to the left, boop, there's where we started, our entryway. Mudroom just off of the garage, 2-car garage, and to the right here, our 3rd bedroom. So we are sitting at 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, square footage at 2182. Let's go check out our backyard and second porch. Second porch is fully screened in. Bird's eye view of the yard. Privacy fenced all around. Got your garden beds. Some fresh sod in the back as well in a few spots. As we said, homeowner is lovingly maintained this beautiful home. So here we are again at 9963 Pandion Trail, Pensacola, Florida 32507 in the Sunrise subdivision. Come take a tour for yourself. It's beautiful.